My name is Anna. I am 30 years old. I live in a small apartment with my husband, Tom. He is a kind man. He is gentle, friendly, and always smiling. Tom works at a local shop. I work from home as a tutor. Our life is simple, but I like it. I cook for him, we eat together, and in the evenings we watch a movie or talk about our day. I love Tom very much. He is my best friend and my closest person. I feel happy when he comes home and calls my name. I feel safe when he sits beside me. But sometimes, love can also make us feel afraid. Afraid to lose someone. Afraid that someone else might take our place. I never felt this before. But slowly, something new started growing inside my heart. A feeling I did not understand at first. A feeling called jealousy. One morning, Tom and I walked to the shop together. A woman from our building smiled at him and said, "Good morning, Tom." He smiled back politely. It was a simple hello, nothing more. But I felt something inside me like a small pinch in my heart. Another day, we went to buy vegetables. The shopkeeper laughed at one of Tom's jokes. She touched his arm for a second. Tom didn't even notice. But I did. I felt jealous again. In the evening, Tom told me about a new co-worker at the shop. "She is very helpful," he said. "She learns fast." I smiled, but inside I felt uncomfortable. I didn't say anything to Tom. I didn't want him to think I was silly. But every small moment made that little jealous feeling grow a bit more. One night, Tom received a message on his phone. He smiled when he read it. I looked at him quickly. "Who is it?" I asked. "Oh, just a friend from work," he said. He didn't tell me the name. My heart felt heavy. Another day, I saw him speaking to a woman outside our building. They were laughing about something. It was only for a minute, but my mind imagined many things. Why is he laughing? Is she more interesting than me? Does he like her more than me? Nothing bad was happening. But jealousy makes small things look big. It makes simple moments look dangerous. Tom noticed I was quiet. "Are you okay, Anna?" he asked. "I'm fine," I lied. That night, I couldn't sleep. I kept thinking about the message, the laugh, the smiles. I felt scared. Scared of losing him. Scared of being replaced. And slowly, my jealousy began to control my thoughts, even though Tom had done nothing wrong. One evening, Tom came home a little late. He looked tired but happy. Before he could take off his shoes, I asked, "Where were you?" "At the shop." "We were closing late," he said gently. But my jealousy was already too strong. "Are you sure?" I asked. "Or were you talking to someone? Maybe that woman from the building? Or your co-worker?" Tom looked confused. "Anna, what are you saying?" I didn't stop. "You like someone else, don't you? You laugh with other women. You hide messages from me." Tom's face changed. He looked hurt, truly hurt. "Anna, I would never do that," he said softly. "Why would you think this?" But I was angry, scared, and jealous. I didn't listen. I kept asking questions, louder and louder. Finally Tom said, with a sad voice, "I love you. But your jealousy, it is hurting both of us." That night, we slept without speaking. It was the first big fight in our marriage. And it was because of me. The next morning, Tom left early. I stayed in bed, feeling sad and embarrassed. Why did I shout? Why didn't I trust him? Around noon, the doorbell rang. It was a delivery man holding a small box with my name on it. Inside the box was a beautiful silver bracelet. There was also a note. It said, "Anna, this is the surprise I was planning. I wanted to give it to you tonight. I hope it makes you smile. Tom." My heart stopped. The message he received last night. The secret phone call. The late work hours. They were all part of this surprise. Not another woman. Not a lie. Just love. Tears filled my eyes. I felt so guilty. I had hurt him for no reason. I had created problems in my mind that were never real. I realized something important that moment. Sometimes jealousy doesn't show the truth. It only shows our fears. When Tom came home, I ran to him. "I'm sorry," I said immediately. "I was wrong. I didn't trust you. I hurt you." Tom looked at me with soft, tired eyes. "I just wanted to make you happy, Anna," he said. "But jealousy can destroy love. It makes small things look big." I nodded. "I know. I let my fear control me." He sat beside me and held my hand. "Next time, talk to me. Don't let the worry grow inside your heart. I am here. I choose you. I love you." I cried quietly, but they were tears of relief. "I love you too," I whispered. We talked for a long time that evening. Honest words. No shouting. No fear. Just understanding. In the days that followed, I tried to change. I stopped checking every smile, every message, every hello. When I felt jealous, I talked to Tom instead of hiding it. Slowly, the fear inside me became smaller. Slowly, our home felt warm again. Tom wore the bracelet on my wrist and said, "This is not just a gift. It is a reminder. Trust me, and I will stay by your side." I smiled, because I finally understood. Love is not about holding someone tightly. Love is about giving them space to breathe, to smile, to live. And still trusting they will come back to you. Love needs trust. Without trust, love feels weak. With trust, love becomes strong again. Have you ever felt jealous for no reason? What did you learn from it? Share your thoughts below.